Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Sexy.
Damn. So right here, you know it. A lot of happening here. I'm pretty sure I know how to do this. Yep. Oh, that bitch on myself. I already know how to do this. Yep. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, put my seatbelt on. Hold on. And I love this Tesla because it's like the camera with the roof.
Ceiling, crazy.
Dang, I look good, right? Oh, 60, dang.
Had Audis on the way there. Oh God, like any car just feels slow. Like you like, bro, I just gas it.
Really just take off. This is crazy, huh? Big noise. Oh hell no. He tripping. That shit's slow. Yeah, he tripping. Yeah, go ahead and fly past his buddy. Sheesh, that's 80? Sheesh, bro.
Oh my God.
Cool little 0 to 60 right here.
Right here, all right.
Yeah, you might as well do it. Fuck, oh, bye-bye. 60. That's probably like 4 seconds for real.
Yeah.
It took its time slowly from like 0 to 25. After that shit hit 30.
I'm trying to see how that be with this, like when it's in that performance mode.
Performance mode and shit?
Yeah, it got performance modes.
I mean, you might as well go ahead and throw it on. I see the screen. I have no clue how to work this for real.
I don't know how to throw that performance mode.
You don't know how to throw it on?
No.
Where would it be?
Probably be somewhere in here.
Oh, here. Controls.
I already put the steering on, like.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Acceleration and stuff.
Oh, sport, steering, sport.
It might be this like certain cars don't have like sports mode.
Sport mode, yeah, some shit. I don't know. These Teslas are a little too foreign for me.
Yeah. I know they got the little thing right there, so I ain't gonna go too crazy right here.
What talking about all this motherfucking station?
Yeah, they be posted up.
Yeah, this bro. Oh, when it comes to when it comes to like content in this car, bro, this is a great car. Like, do you see like the roof with the view with the whole? You feel me? Oh.
And then you could do like once you really know the car, you could start making it tweaking,
yeah,
different horn sounds and trolling. See, I knew it was gonna be some
boy out here. Look at the feds. We are in Mexico. Yeah, man. But I know you can turn this off when the car's off and then like play like a game on here. Well, I've seen it before. Like you can play like fuck Mario Kart or some shit. Like,
bro, yeah, you could hook up games.
Yeah, hook up games.
Watch movies on this bit.
Oh. Sheesh.
On the back end. And we are in Mexico though.
You know what? Yo, this thing just type beat.
Just get up there. I never been in a passenger of a Tesla while it moved, so I'm trying to see how that go. We got my boy STINO RWD.
What's good, y'all? STINO RWD, you know it. Sheesh. Get up. Damn. About to drive the Tesla, guys. Ooh. Tesla squad. What's good, YouTube? STINO RWD. Y'all seen in the last clip. Y'all probably confused. Seeing me in the Tesla, y'all real confused. My first time driving the Tesla. Like that shit kind of feel tight.
Yeah, that's that sports steering.
Oh, why it's throwing down on the song like that?
Okay, alright, so look, they got modes where stopping mode. I can have it. You can put it in a roll where it'll keep rolling like a normal car. I put it on creep, so it'll barely creep. So that way, when you let off, you punch it, it'll feel it more.
Yeah, okay.
I'll put it on roll for you, yo. Then they got a hold where if you let off, it'll like stop, like
stop.
Completely.
Okay,
you
yeah.
Feel that one or they
nah, fuck that. that shit kind of got up. Damn.
Yeah, I was banging the shot. Damn, bro. Hold up, bro.
This shit torquey, bro.
Hold up, bro. Let me get my. Let me prepare. Yeah, my shit back.
Sheesh. And this shit rides smooth as hell. Like, if you chilling, you can just, you moving, you can just.
Right.
I'm ready to take over this car. Look.
Yeah, you can't go past the 85.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I told you that on the other. I was in the highway trying to push that bit.
And they passed 85. They told you I can't pass 85. Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah, 85 cool.
85 not bad. 0 to 85 all you need. Dang, that's my first time driving a Tesla, y'all. This is crazy. I gotta go ahead and get this for the IG story. If y'all not following my car page, make sure y'all follow it. Y'all get instant content, instant exclusive stuff that I haven't posted on my YouTube channel. Packages that come in, I be posting on there. So yeah, y'all go ahead and subscribe to the IG. Got that thing right here. Damn. Motherfucker, too crazy, you know. You know it. Sheesh. Let's put that on my story.
I gotta do that same shit now. I ain't even do the video. I just took a picture.
For real?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a great thumbnail picture. Put it where? Yo, this shit just opened up. Not gonna lie, I hate that little
electric sound.
That noise. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You know me, I'm a
I don't think I heard this in the other one.
I don't think I heard that either. But I heard something. I don't like it. But I mean, shit.
It remind me of the Lotus, like, you feel me?
She got the camera right there. About to get a 0 to 60, y'all. Oh, it said both paddles pressed. I was trying to launch it.
There you go.
Woo.
Who's done?
0 to 60, not that bad, y'all. I feel like it's maybe like a cool 4, maybe 4.5. This is the Model Y long range dual motor, 1,800 miles. You feel me? Wow. Wow.
You know the long range is 0 to 60 is 4.4. You were kind of close.
4.4? Okay, wow. I was close, yeah. That's kind of how it felt. It felt like a half a second faster than mine.
For real?
Yeah.
I mean, your car fast as shit. The fuck?
It's not fast as shit.
A half second faster? I thought.
Yeah, the G is like 5.1 or something.
That's true.
Yeah.
The Model 3 was 4 seconds, so that was actually.
Okay, so that was actually faster. Okay, yeah, that shit felt faster. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. Yeah, it did. Okay.
I feel like that shit felt faster. Not gonna lie. I mean, but it makes sense. This is kind of a truck, in a way.
That other car had 434 horsepower.
Damn. Instant too.
Would you go Y or would you go with 3?
I go 3.
3.
I don't really like
How high you are?
Not even how high, just the shape of this really. I feel like the 3 just looks better when it comes to shape.
See, what I like about this is the trunk space. You could like
the trunk,
pop open the trunk and sit in it.
That's it. Okay. Should just get up and go.
Where that Cybertruck go? Real though.
Yeah, I ain't even known if it was that fast.
But I really tried to test drive the Model S. That's when they didn't have any. So they were like, you want the 3 or the Y? I just did both.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. The S would have been crazy.
See, it's like when you go in there, they sometimes, you feel me, they act like you ain't supposed to be there. They're like, what are you looking at? You feel me? Like, Was this your first time in the Tesla? Nope. Alright, you feel me?
Yeah.
You feel me?
That shit just slows down on its own for real. It's kind of tough. I kind of like that feature. I fucking love that off, man. That bitch slowed down on its own.
Already at 50. 60. Not too much body roll.
Not too much. Yeah, that shit kind of tight. The steering wheel feel real tight. He said it's a sports mode, y'all.
Sport
So
mode. Yeah.
shit. Oh, I kind of like that. Shit feel a little nimble.
Okay.
But yeah, y'all, that's it, y'all. I just wanted to get a cool video for y'all, cool little POV. Appreciate my man Jordan for pulling up on me, the Tesla.
Yes.
Giving me my first experience in a Tesla, really. Driving a Tesla. I didn't even think I was going to drive a Tesla today. I woke up and I drove a Tesla, so.
Two of them.
Well, yeah, I ain't drive the first one, but I rode in 2 Teslas this morning, and it's, damn.
Bro could have hit them.
Yeah.
Did something with that.
He could have hit me, the Tesla. Yeah. But yeah, I'll go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, hit that bell down below. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all comment too what Tesla y'all would get, or if y'all even like Teslas for real. I'm not gonna lie, the best feature about this right now is this roof. I ain't gonna lie, this roof is crazy. The X5 got this too, but it don't look like this. I don't know. Yeah, kind of like just like the content quality and this look good for real. Yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all later. Peace. I'll see y'all on the Tesla skis. Ooh, that's a plaid right there? That's not a dual motor. That shit look like a plaid for a second.
Bro, they had to test the auto dropping. I'm gonna have to test. Oh, I didn't even see this fat ass camera.
Oh, it got that shit got 3 cameras?
Yeah, if you crash while parking in this, you just
Yeah,
you feel me? You don't got it.
I don't know how to drive.
Bro, this shit was fun as shit. I'm gonna be like, fun as shit. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm not going there.
Yeah.
They gonna call me a regular.